Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials, latest Clipchamp build, and any pending OS updates. Once done, free memory by closing browsers and heavy apps. This prevents runtime conflicts. Make sure you have at least 1 to 2 GB free for stability, and back up your project file so nothing is lost. Next, clear temporary media cache from Clipchamp settings. This removes corrupt thumbnails that often cause crashes. These first steps remove common blockers, and they set the stage for deeper troubleshooting. Now handle the middle, more technical fixes. You should clear Clipchamp's cache and, if available, reset app data. This often resolves corrupted state issues. If crashes persist, uninstall Clipchamp, reboot your computer, then reinstall the newest version. That replaces damaged files. Also check GPU drivers and toggle hardware acceleration in Clipchamp. Some GPUs cause instability when acceleration is enabled. Make sure drivers are up to date. If a driver update introduced problems, finish by verifying stability with a small test project. Import a couple short clips, apply edits, and export. Once done, gradually reintroduce your full project elements. If issues appear, disable browser extensions and background sync tools. These can interfere. As a key troubleshooting tip, collect Clipchamp logs and note exact steps that reproduce the crash, then contact support with those logs and a sample project. That information lets support reproduce and fix the issue far faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.